Well, the recent peanut butter salmonella outbreak has two local congressmen urging for tougher food safety laws, and they're also weighing in on calls for the resignation of Senator Roland Burris following pay-to-play allegations. WGN's Robert Jordan reports on today's developments.
Congressman Peter Roskam and Mark Kirk are calling for federal legislation to strengthen the testing of the nation's food supply, saying that had this legislation been in place, needless deaths could have been prevented and the nation's food supply would have been safer. Standing in front of some of the 2,000 food products containing peanuts from the suspect plant that produced salmonella-containing food, Congressman Peter Roskam and Congressman Mark Kirk introduced strengthened legislation to protect the nation's food supply.
If you're going to be importing food, we're going to have the FDA certify laboratories. So you've got to have your testing done by a certified lab, and if there's adverse information that comes about, that information has to be disclosed. In other words, you can't shop around for a favorable result.
We've seen that what looks like criminal activity by Stuart Parnell of the Peanut Corporation of America has contaminated products going through Sara Lee, Kellogg, Little Debbie's. His products have triggered 9 deaths, 637 salmonella cases, and infected over 2,000 product lines.
Both congressmen talked about the case of Senator Roland Burris, appointed by ex-Governor Rod Blagojevich, and both called him an embarrassment to the state of Illinois and indicated that they would seek his seat in a special election.
I have been looking at it, but there is no election today. And unless Speaker Madigan moves legislation, if Senator Burris hangs on, then this tragedy will continue.
You know, let me, same answer. I'd affiliate myself with Congressman Kirk's remarks.
Both congressmen are calling on Senator Roland Burris to step down, and they're calling him ineffective, and they say that he has lost the confidence of the people of the state of Illinois. Robert Jordan, WGN News.